we want to calculate the following. So we have 7 times 10 to the 3 multiplied by 2 times 10 to the 7. Everything's just being multiplied, so we don't need those brackets. They're just there to show the grouping of the numbers in scientific notation. So we can rewrite this as 7 times 2 times 10 to the 3 times 10 to the 7. Well, 7 times 2 is 14. And then using our multiplication index law, 10 to the 3 times 10 to the 7 is 10 to the 10. But note we're not in scientific notation at the moment because of the 14. But if we think about the 14, we can hop the decimal point in here and make that 1.4 times 10 to the 1. So that is 1.4 times 10 to the 1 multiplied by 10 to the 10. And so we can write that as 1.4 times 10 to the 11, again using the multiplication index law just here. Now, for the second one, we want to add. And there's no really simple way of doing that. The best way of doing it is to take the numbers out of scientific notation. Remember that 10 cubed is 1,000. So 7 times 10 cubed is just 7,000. 2 times 10 to the 4 is 20,000. Add the two numbers together and we get 27,000. And then we can change that back into scientific notation. Let's hop the decimal point back in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so our answer is 2.7 times 10 to the power 4. And then finally we have a division. So we have 2 times 10 cubed being divided by 8 times 10 to the 7. So if we put the numbers together, we've got 2 divided by 8. And then for the powers of 10, we've got 10 cubed divided by 10 to the 7. Well, 2 divided by 8 is a quarter, 0.25. Using the division index law, 3 take away 7 is -4. But 0.25 isn't in scientific notation. We need to hop the decimal point to here, and that would be 2.5 times 10 to the -1. Note, because the original number was less than 1. So what we have is 2.5 times 10 to the -1 times 10 to the -4, and then using the multiplication index law just here, that is going to be 10 to the -5.